Welcome to Mind Over Math. In today's lesson, we're mastering one of the most important SAT math skills, linear equations and word problems. By the end, you'll solve linear equations quickly, translate word problems into math, avoid the most common SAT mistakes, and solve problems faster than most test takers. Let's get started. Section 1. What is a linear equation? A linear equation is an equation where the highest power of the variable is 1. That means no x squared, no x cubed, just simple x. The standard form is ax plus b equals c, where a, b, and c are numbers, and x is the variable. For example, 2x plus 3 equals 11 is linear because x is only to the power of 1. Section 2, the core method. Here is the three-step SAT method. Step 1, simplify both sides. Step 2, move numbers away from x using inverse operations. Step 3, isolate x by dividing or multiplying. Let's try a basic example. 3x plus 5 equals 20. Subtract 5, then divide by 3, and we get x equals 5. Section 3, the distribution trick. If there is a number outside parentheses, distribute first. Example, 2 times the quantity x plus 4 equals 18. Distribute to get 2x plus 8 equals 18. Subtract 8 and divide to get x equals 5. SAT trap alert. Many students forget to distribute and lose points immediately. Section 4. Word problems. Here are key translations. The word sum means plus. Difference means minus. The word of means multiply. Equals means equals. Example 3. A number increased by 7 equals 20. Let x be the number. Then x plus 7 equals 20 and x equals 13. Example 4. Twice a number decreased by 6 is 18. Let x be the number. 2x minus 6 equals 18. Add 6 and divide, and x equals 12. Section 5. Common SAT mistakes. Mistake 1. Not distributing. 2 times the quantity x plus 3 does not equal 2x plus 3. It equals 2x plus 6. Mistake 2. Moving terms incorrectly. You must do the same operation on both sides. Mistake 3. Forgetting to define the variable in word problems. Always write, let x equal the number. Section 6. Practice questions. Pause and try these before checking the answers. Question 1. 4x plus 6 equals 22. Question 2. 3 times the quantity x plus 2 equals 21. Question 3. A number minus 9 equals 15. Question 4. Twice a number plus 5 equals 19. Answers section. Question 1. 4x equals 16, so x equals 4. Question 2. Distribute to get 3x plus 6 equals 21, then x equals 5. Question 3x equals 24. Question 4. 2x equals 14, so x equals 7. Linear equations are one of the most important SAT topics. If you master this, you'll already be ahead of most test takers. Keep practicing daily, focus on steps, not speed, and always check for distribution errors. If you got most of these right, you're on the right track. Follow Mind Over Math for more SAT tricks, shortcuts, and full lessons.